Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create viral thumbnails. So let's get into it. To make a viral thumbnail, Canva is the best platform that provides you with hundreds of free templates. Let's search for thumbnail in the search bar and hit enter. Once you get the results, you can see there are hundreds of free thumbnails that you can customize accordingly. Select a thumbnail design that you like, and then click on Customize this template. Here we are in the Canva editor. Now you can make changes by simply selecting any element. Select the text box and type a new text. From the top bar, you can change text color or add a background. You can add text styling to make it bold or italic, and set the text alignment on the thumbnail. You can apply text effects to make it more attractive for the viewers. Once you are all done, from the top right side, click on Share. And from this drop-down menu, click on Download. So this is how you can easily create viral thumbnails. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.